Hello, my dear students of Benguet State University. Welcome to our online class. I am your teacher, Jan Lasea. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my demonstration in our laboratory subject of Systems Integration and Architecture 2. Today I demonstrate laboratory hands-on activity number 11 entitled Create Database and Tables by importing a user-made SQL script. Step number 1. Create a special folder on any drive to be the location of upload files. In my laptop, I have chosen drive D and I name the folder upload, and then inside the folder upload, I created a subfolder named files. And here it is. I just created a folder named upload on drive D, and if we browse inside, there is a subfolder created named files. Next, browse and find the file php.ini at this drive and folder on your laptop computer on drive C folder XAMPP. Next, open the php.ini using any text editor and then search the following options, edit it, and then put some values. Let us go ahead and perform these steps. Last semester, I stated that I did not use the XAMPP Apache web server but the Internet Information Services or IIS web server. That's why the PHP interpreter is not located inside the folder XAMPP. And I have found the file php.ini. Right-click the php.ini and then click Edit. Scroll down until you find the option File Uploads. And since it is lengthy, there is a shortcut where we can find and locate faster. You click the Edit menu, select Find or press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl F, and then type now the option to search, and then click Find Next. To enable, you remove the semicolon and then set a value on to that option File Uploads. Next, I press Ctrl F to search another option, Upload Temp Directory. And to enable that option, you remove the semicolon and then set the path and folder and then search the next option, Upload Max File Size. To enable, you remove the semicolon and then set a value. I set the value 10M, that stands for 10 megabytes. And then after that, you press Ctrl S to save and then close now the text editor. And we go back to the laboratory manual. Next, run the XAMPP control panel and then click the Start button of the Apache web server and then the MySQL database engine. After that, you click the button Admin beside the MySQL button. And what will happen next is that it will open up the internet browser and it will show the PHP MyAdmin web page in that internet browser. When the PHP MyAdmin web page already shown in that internet browser, find the button import, click the Browse button, and then locate the script file named BuildDatabases.sql. And then after that, you scroll down below and then click the Go button, and then next, click Ignore All button, and then close the Internet web browser. And this is the first way how to import a SQL script. The second way is on the XAMPP control panel, click the Shell button aligned to that Apache web server button, and then type this command, mysql space -h localhost space -u root space <character space, and then a string containing the path and folder where we can find the script file builddatabases.sql. Let us go ahead and perform this second way of importing a SQL script. First, I need to locate where I stored the SQL script. And here in this case, I already found the location. It is located on drive C, folder inetpub, subfolder www-root, subfolder Lasea 2020, and then we can find now the folder SQL script. If we browse inside, we can see the SQL script text file, builddatabases.sql. If we open up this file, it contains SQL commands that will create a database name bank, followed by the creation of the table name member, followed by the creation of the second table name user, third table name deposit, and the table name loan. Let us close this text editor. I open up the command shell script editor, and let me type that command. MySQL command -h localhost -u root. In my MySQL database engine, I set a password that I need to type right now. But in your computer, there is no default password. Upon installing the XAMPP, the default password is none. But for my case, I need to specify the password. And this is the password in my MySQL database engine. And then followed by <character, and then the path and folder where we can find the builddatabases.sql text file. To find the path and folder, I simply copy this location and then paste it here, and then I add a slash followed by the text file builddatabases.sql, and then enclose it with a double quotes, and then hit the enter key. And it executed all those SQL script commands located in that builddatabases.sql. Let us test if the bank database tables member and user can store information by browsing the folder Ajax activity number 5 using the Google Chrome web browser. Let us browse the Ajax activity number 5 that I provided for you to download. And here is the physical layout of that Ajax activity number 5. I click the sign up and then select login. The table member and the table user has no records yet. That's why if I type any username and any password and then click submit, we cannot proceed because there is no yet registered user yet, as you could read in this message box or alert box. Access denied. Let us click OK and let us click close and let us sign up first. So I click the sign up button and then select sign up. The information that I about to fill up and then save later on will be stored in the table name member. I click the choose file to browse a photograph or ID of our new member. Let's say this one. Open up that picture and then fill up now the information. First name, 1, middle name, A, last name, masipag, gender, birth date, age, address, telephone number, cell phone number, username, new password. I will type a password ABC123. Verify the password ABC123. And then click save. And then it asks me, do you really want to save the member record? I click yes. And then the record is stored successfully. Let us now test to log in. I click the sign up menu and then select login. I type the username 1 masipag. I type the password ABC123 and then click submit. And as you could see, we have successfully proceed in the main screen of this simple web application. And it will greet us, welcome 1 masipag. And then beside, it shows the ID picture. Let me click the profile menu and choose update. Here, you can update the profile of 1 masipag. Let's say, for example, we will change his ID picture. I click choose file and then select this image and then click update button and then click yes. The record is updated successfully. Okay. And then I click close, click yes. And as you can see, we have the updated image of 1 masipag. If I click sign up and then log out, do you really want to log out? Yes. Therefore, another user can log in. If we log in once again, write your questions and comments down below or post it in our Google Classroom. That ends our topic for today. I hope you have learned in my class. Thank you for watching. God bless us.